If your digital workspace looks like a graveyard of downloaded PDFs, random bookmarks, and forgotten notes, you already know the problem. The storage is collapsing under its own weight. And when you try to feed that mess into standard cloud AIs, they just guess at the answers because they can't actually see your isolated files. We are going to take that scattered data and build a localized, searchable knowledge vault, a system that only pulls from your trusted sources, doesn't invent facts, and lives entirely on your local machine. To build this, you need 4 things ready: a Google account, the Chrome browser, the Obsidian Desktop App, and sample data to process. Setting this up moves you out of the habit of passively abandoning files in the cloud. You are building an active, offline reference engine that you permanently own. Step 1 is centralization. Before we can secure your data offline, we have to gather all the raw material and feed it into an AI-readable hub. For this process, we use Google's NotebookLM. You can drop in PDFs, raw text, CSVs, or even paste in YouTube links. It takes all those conflicting file types and standardizes them into one readable workspace. A standard AI gives an answer with no proof. NotebookLM provides the same answer, but attaches strict, numbered citations to every claim. Clicking a citation jumps directly to the exact paragraph in your source document. The AI isn't guessing, it's retrieving. But there is a strict security boundary here. NotebookLM runs on Google's cloud servers. You must never upload confidential company data, client details, or secure personal information into this environment. NotebookLM is a highly accurate engine for reading and querying safe, public research. But because it relies on the cloud, it cannot be the permanent, secure home for your private knowledge base. Now that the data is processed, we have to extract it. To actually own your research, you have to physically pull it out of the cloud ecosystem. We do this using a third-party Chrome extension called NotebookLM Tools. Once installed, clicking the extension gives a one-touch option to bulk download your entire workspace at once. The extension downloads everything as Markdown files, or .md. Markdown strips away all the heavy formatting, the weird fonts, the hidden tables, the broken margins. What's left is pure, plain text that AI agents can read instantly without tripping over copy-paste errors. By forcing your research into Markdown, you guarantee the files remain perfectly readable on any machine, completely immune to cloud server outages or policy changes. Step 3 is storage. Those Markdown files need a permanent home, so we move them into Obsidian, a completely offline Markdown editor acting as your local vault. This diagram maps out the Para framework. A blank vault is useless if you can't find anything, so we divide your storage into 4 main directories: projects, areas, resources, and archives. Take your freshly downloaded Markdown files and drop them straight into the resources folder. Once inside, Obsidian allows you to link ideas together directly. Typing 2 open brackets brings up a menu of every file in your vault. Selecting one creates an instant clickable link, connecting your document to the cited reference, without opening a folder. Combining the Para folder structure with these internal links turns isolated text files into a deeply connected, highly searchable network that lives entirely on your hard drive. The entire digital architecture is now built. Now we have to maintain it by capturing new information as you find it. For daily research, install the Obsidian Web Clipper browser extension. This lets you bypass the cloud entirely and save web content directly into your vault. Clicking the clipper on a YouTube video instantly extracts the title, metadata, and full transcript, streaming directly into a clean Markdown file in your vault. This single click replaces manual copying and pasting. Your local knowledge base steadily grows with clean, AI-ready data every time you browse. Look at the system you've constructed. The disorganized storm of floating PDFs and lost links has been replaced by a quiet, structured, and entirely private database. This diagram illustrates the complete workflow. You ingest raw research into a cloud hub to process it, extract it as clean Markdown, and then store and connect it inside your local vault. You no longer have to remember which folder holds which file, or worry that a link might go dead next year. You have delegated the heavy lifting of memory storage to a system designed specifically for retrieval. Because the data retention is permanently handled, your brain is finally free to stop storing facts and start making decisions.